Hi, I'm Dr. Ravindran, consultant neurosurgeon at Park City Medical Center. Recently, we have asked the public to share some questions on brain, which will be answered by a neurosurgeon. Now, let's dive into the questions. Okay, the first question is, I sometimes forget names or where I put things. Should I be concerned? Okay, it's a very good question. Occasional forgetfulness is quite common nowadays because we are busy, we are stressful. We might put things like keys or documents somewhere and look for it. It also maybe affect your daily life. So maybe you forget people's name. Sometimes you also forget where you are because of memory issues. These are very concerning. So in this type of things, when it happen, then you have to be seen by a doctor to further examine, assess, and maybe investigate further. For the second question, I have a migraine and headaches often. Should I see a doctor? This is another good question. Migraine is something very distressful for people, and it often happens and also affects the vision, and also sometimes they have dizziness. Most of the time it will go away with medication, but if it comes often and it's really distressing yourself, then you should look for a doctor to see them and get more advice and maybe assessment and investigation further to see if this is other than migraine, which can happen to many people. Okay, the third question is very interesting. Can stress physically damage the brain? To answer this, stress actually doesn't directly damages the brain, but it causes indirect damage in the sense that it can cause emotional issues, and also sometimes it can cause concentration problem and also memory issues. To avoid all these things, you have to manage your stress by having a good physical activities and also well eating habits, as well as good sleep at most about 7 to 8 hours a day. The next question is, why do I feel dizzy when I stand up quickly? Okay, to answer this, when you stand up, what will happen is that the blood goes down to the leg. So there'll be pooling in the leg. So it takes few minutes or few seconds to go up to the brain. So you feel dizzy at that point of time, but it will actually relieve very quickly. But if this happens very often and it lasts longer, then it's of concern because there'll be some issues to the brain that can damage the brain. Okay, this is another great question. What are some food supplements I could take to help brain health? Okay, a balanced diet is very important to support your brain health. Other than that, you can add on with antioxidant food and also omega-3 fatty acids. The omega-3 fatty acids are rich in salmon, and then you can have it in flaxseed and walnuts. The antioxidants food mainly berries, which like blueberries, strawberries, cranberries, and also in green vegetables. So these things make a supplement to you to help with the brain health. Also, some of the supplement in the medication point of view is like B12 or vitamin, and also calcium helps in brain protection. My take-home message to everyone is to protect your brain, you need to have a healthy lifestyle and manage your stress well. And also, if there's any concerns, please seek for advice from doctors. Thank you.